Hello, welcome to this very video. I'm going to show you how you are going to create a Figma account. It's quite simple to do. So what we're going to do, first of all, what you just need to do is go to www.figma.com. All right, www.figma.com. So just know that Figma it's a cloud-based software or a cloud-based application. So you need data for it. Okay, when you come to figma.com, you can just click. If you have an account, that's when you can log in. If you don't, get started, just click get started. Then I'll prefer that you just continue with Google, right? That's with your Gmail address. When you click continue with Google, it's going to bring your Google accounts for you, and then you can click on any of them, and just like that, your Figma account is going to be created. I'm going to use a Figma account that I've not used before, so let me click on this. Okay, all right. So after, if you click on it, you just click continue.